Hey there, we all know enough about project management and its technique, and we also know that they can be quite slow, boring, and error-prone. So, let's step up and get us used to the new technique called Scrum. Come, let's see the detailed roadway to become Certified Scrum Master or CSM and nail the Scrum framework like a pro. So, who exactly is a Certified Scrum Master? They are a combination of coach, cheerleader, and captain rolled into one. Sounds fascinating, right? That's because the Scrum Masters are not a typical project manager or traditional authoritative leaders. They are servant leader and facilitators, expert in removing bottlenecks hindering projects' progress, caretakers of team's focus, matchmakers between the product owner, team, and stakeholders. In short, Scrum Master creates a conducive environment for the team to thrive, perform well, and ensure success while adhering to the Scrum framework. If you are finding this role intriguing, you might be wondering, can I become a certified Scrum Master? Let's find out. Scrum Master certification is perfect for fresh graduates, seasoned professionals, software engineers, product managers, project managers, team leaders, business analysts, development team members, testers. So, basically, if you are looking to hone your project management skill or get deep into Scrum understanding, this CSM certification is for you. And, guess what? Scrum Master's requirement is not only limited to technology sector but also in retail, manufacturing, healthcare, and so on. Becoming a certified Scrum Master has lot of perks attached to it. Let's break them down further for understanding it better. You will be a part of elite group of Scrum professionals recognized by Scrum Alliance as Scrum Specialist. As many companies are adapting Agile framework, the career opportunities have enhanced for the role of Scrum Masters. If you look at recent surveys, the average salary of CSM is pretty attractive across the globe. Look at the data for multiple regions. In India, the average salary range for certified Scrum Master is around 13 lakhs. Not bad, huh? Alright then, we know who the CSM course is for, what are the perks the certification brings with itself, but how do you actually become certified Scrum Master? It's not as daunting as you might be thinking it is. Just follow these 4 steps. Take the CSM training. Get trained from expert Scrum trainer for 2 days or 14 to 16 hours. Create login details. After your training, Scrum Alliance will send you a link to set up your account. Take the online CSM test. The test is quite interesting. It consists of 50 multiple choice questions, and you have to answer at least 37 answers correctly to pass. And guess what? There is no time limit. Accept the license agreement. This outlines the terms and conditions of your CSM. And voila, after completion of all the 4 steps, you will receive your Certified Scrum Master certification from Scrum Alliance. This certification would be valid for 2 years and includes a membership with lot of resources. Congratulations! You have passed the exam and earned your shiny CSM certificate. Now what? Download your certificate from Scrum Alliance account. Ensure to check all the necessary information like spelling of your name and contact support team in case of any errors. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile by adding the CSM badge. HR and hiring manager notices these and prefer candidates with certifications. To show your commitment towards continuous learning, mark your calendar to renew your certification after 2 years. And there you have it. A complete path of becoming a certified Scrum Master. The world of Scrum is exciting, full of opportunities, rewarding, and always evolving. The certification is the first step in your journey of Agile project management. Are you ready to elevate your career and become a certified Scrum Master? The Agile world is waiting for you. Thank you for watching this video and good luck on your Scrum Master journey.